agya to say ampa ono ne winning contracts no, and he is not even worried about the nipa beka and won't hide it. He won it on one aye. Now ushe this issue de bia meka say Yura Sami Jemfi ye fantastic job. Sami Jemfi any problem, but omwa e pese e de no ma foforo Sami Jemfi no ye enkrofo mo wo no anaban mu enkrofo a wo mo ewo ono anaban mu a wanhwe yi a omo bema waye no ma bi ade bia ne din ebeba bonten na abedem, because as a deputy chief of staff I mean can say why headmaster for all appointees now bede for contractor Dogbe on a dasui ebeye dey say somebody like Sami Jemfi will refuse you that contract, and I say appointee bia will say chief of staff company ni obe refuse. Now I'm asking say about renovation works yesi a dying office ya enti eye Dogbe company nko na betumi aye Ghana ha na. That's the big question I'm asking. And the three companies here yebu omudino edie ne ma Dogbe company no nko eye so much outstanding say enu na chinchina chen ese contracts na ye de man the company no. He's a deputy chief of staff at the heart of government authority mu. Na Dogbe dan kasa enim saadi say oma ka ho asempɛn in opposition on one page 23 September 2019 mampani ko kasa about this thing na Akufo-Addo ma kwanya ma kenoforiata any Akufo-Addo nkrofo lead contracts and mampani John Dramani Mahama ka ho asem ene da ho no ono Dogbe ne post year 23 September 2019. Now, baby, ya second and person maker. Was the former president, that's John Dramani Mahama, then observed that just like many other deals that had party cronies directly participating, and some of the key persons involved in the negotiation Aka Energy deal are linked to the finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta and his data bank. Dientia and the Ken Ofori-Atta diabem because now or your finance minister or your government appointee. Enti se odini hu contract mu a e kire se abeye bibia conflict of interest na ye ka ho asem se ase se wo bibi ubenya influence because ukura tumi bi anase bia unu obi relate nti ontumi nka se ade no onfa ma wo because tumi a wo ana ba bia wo gina nti wo ka so onfa ma wo a ekoye bibi e wo. Enti the best thing is say unkokra amfa wanimu nkowuram na komani pana ko say o refuse wa enye. And that is the situation here. Enti the question is it only Dogbe company nko an etimi renovation works e wo kurumu ha? Edie na two other companies no elakia wo mu entumi an oni renovation works no. Na Kevin Dear Managing Director of Change Management and Business Transformation, Eka Asembi, Papa Iwa Benepa, Australian Institute of Company Directors. Nana Semo kind say on the basis of conflict of interest, no, or see your actual conflict, no, where a be a director be, obenya personal advantage for themselves because a be a relative be, anani bibi, and a pay bibi, a wo ejuma wumu, anani yon to be. A beman conflict of interest, like who's obey refusing. And you were perceived. It is said, yeah, Jenny, say, Dogbe, a deputy chief of staff, near the man, the company, no. And also, yet me perceive, say, I deal with you, Nipa Bear in a buy. I didn't understand Dogbe near the man because or a deputy chief of staff. A Tianya Recrano. Some Jemfi may feel, say, Ebia, deputy chief of staff, Muadia, what by dear? Eja we headmaster appointees in a headmaster. You refuse na ayasem. It is the best thing is to stand up with some of these things, no. Ubechu no film. And these are some of the things that politicians, na mufi say, Ghana for no enhwe. But it brings you guys down. It brings you guys down. Another one, all can say, Jeff, or see identify conflicts. The other can say having shares or having relatives or friends with substantial shares in the company to which your organization is contracted to supply a service. It is Dogbe company ne wini yen on one dia. Even so, our shares will mumpa or ko pre-contract no. It me emma that perception of conflict of interest because a bit me and your influence. Sa no me when now be kano amanyofo no fi say ye kano keke. And going back, fast forward, Kano Furiata data bank ye hun somewhere kan ukrumu a ebra Kano Furiata edi ni data bank edi elidi Ghana financial contracts ni no manoma ekeka kan ye hun ukrumu a se Kufuado one na busua ene eje contracts na omudi se adwuma no because Kano Furiata no a finance minister ene yes wodi ni data bank ni di ene nyina ye da so ka. It is what Dogbe say the company to obeko so anti nko ne company na the company nya contractor di nti ne ye ka ho asem na di nti na mo ka Kano Furiata de ne so ho asem. Yewura Brian Champon ka so to Senate hotels no eno so won sem bai mo ka ho asem saa e di nti ne no so mo ka ho asem na mo anya ama na to Senate hotels no because na mo feel so ye minister. It is that sense of conflict of interest or the way influence bi wo ma me yetimi di amano. And untimu kasa huama ekodu baby okudjota black kwakra je ho captain band emeko wiase no Senate hotels no kra Brian Champon fishing na no person water no nsanka. It tells you said no wa ban mu ntina mu fi say with that influence conflict of interest beba etidi na asesa nei a company owned by the deputy chief of staff will bid for contracts directly with Misaba openly. Ebeka say maji after all mo den enka min gumi company na nka min yese yana. It is shameful sometimes the way you trendy one no maybe one and I say you can't say bi no de enyen ra no what was wrong yesterday cannot be right today. De na enyen ra no entumi nye papa ene tinie the contracts e the ma government appointees. And I say, yeah, you are being yet check contracts, my home, nay, yet, and ra, and nesso, and yet, and yet. Let's be frank, Nian cannot crow, ma'am. Nian, I say, Kohadia, yet, a Bahadia, and Yari. In Sha 104.5, Ebusia, Mebana, Adi, we are making. Nhyira Dogbe, this is not the first time when the Ebebansemu. The NDC should be very careful. We stand Dogbe, ni posture. Even Sadi we buy no or Sakrek cancel me yimanfu he on the page. Kadi ope. Meanwhile, you know, say these things. Wa can one sempe. Abanana do danko Kufuado na bem. And now no cameraman, military man okura camera no wakusum na hwe. NDC no agidi boni. One kasa say no ma bebre wo stand Dogbe ed no hu mu a we ya ugina social media would defend it and you know it's not right. There's a sense the perception of conflict of interest was hard you. And I know say manfo petition say shrage omunye and those things but we hope to see. But what was wrong yesterday I still maintain cannot be right today. You criticizing Nhyira, you maintaining the same thing. Na yenko yenim. Nhyira 104.5. Meba.